Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a bit of a treat in store for you. We're actually going to do an unboxing of this laptop. It's a really big package, as you can see. It's humongous today. And it's a bit of a treat because my last one actually just lasted for 7-ish years. So it's a bit exciting to open something new. Before we go any further, you're probably wondering, why am I wearing a big thick winter wool coat? It's because it's snowing outside, but I actually opened the window just to get some air in the room. So I thought I'd dress up a little warm, and then I kept my 3 different scarves over here just in case I needed to put that on, because you can see, oh, how cold it is. So why don't we get started with this unboxing? I get my scissors, and I'm not sure if I can show you. I'll just move over a little and open it. Just gonna go down the sides and then over the top. Ooh. Now put it down. Just gonna open this side real quick. And I'm just going to stop for a minute, and I'm going to switch to the selfie stick, which actually I can't even find, so we're going to have to go by hand. So I'm going to switch the camera for a moment, so just stop and be right back. So welcome back, and here we have it. We've bought the Galaxy Book Go. I didn't want anything too fancy, so we just got a simple basic one. So we're going to pull it out of the box. I'm just going to move the box over for a moment, get it out of the way. It's a humongous box. And here we are. So, oof, this part is a bit difficult. I wish I had. My friends actually gave me this selfie stick thing where you can hang it up and do it properly, but I tried to use what they gave me, and they told me I nearly broke it. So we're just going to have to do it the hard way. Just me holding on to it, like with my legs, and trying to cut it. We're going to break the seal. Bear with me, please. Oof. This is why I guess people need camera or 2 people to do this kind of thing, because it's not as easy as it looks. So we're gonna move it over here. Oof. Ah, we're getting there. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And there's so many things on here. Okay, so let's see what we have in this laptop. We have a little folder. Let's open it. And it's a user guide, a quick start guide, so we'll keep it at a warranty. Anything else in there? Nope. So we're going to keep this because we're going to start the laptop. Just make sure we have everything. It says computer adapter is in here, and a USB cable is in here. So let's open the actual laptop. Oh, we'll take this box out. We'll take all these little sections out. And we'll take this out and open this. My, look how big it is. It's humongous. Okay, so now we're going to open it. It has a nice little thing in here. And here's the start button. Okay, so we might need to plug it in first. Stop. Oh. Okay, in order to start using the computer, we're going to have to actually charge it. So we're going to have to come back in a few minutes, but let's start the process. So we're going to have to take this adapter and plug it into the wall. And then we're going to take this USB-C cable. So tight. Alright guys, so the laptop looks like it's been charging for quite some time, so let's just turn it on and we'll go from there to see what happens. So let's turn on and let's do the setup process. So we're just waiting for it to run its startup programs. Oops. In the meantime, meantime, I'm just going to show you something I bought. Just open the packaging. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to skip through this as we do the video. I'm going to zoom fast forward through it, but I'll let you know how long the startup takes. But while we wait for that, I don't know if you can see this. I have this lens webcam cover like this, and it goes onto the laptop part, you know, just where the webcam is, just so that, and you can slide it back and forth to open and close it. So that's always a good thing to have. So let's put that to the side, and let's try work through the start process. So let's start with the language. So we want English.
Set up your device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Alright, so let's just go to the next step. We want to choose English. So we'll go yes. And which country you are in. So let's choose the correct country. So while we do that, guys, I'm just gonna hide that from you for a little bit if you don't please. So I'm just gonna do that there. Go up, go down. It's just gonna take just a few seconds. I don't see a scroll bar option, which would have been nice, but so we're just gonna go with the mouse. We're nearly there. We're not too far. Oh, let's not go too fast because I'm gonna miss it. Okay. And then I'll go yes to go next. So we've chosen our location. And we wait. Alright, so what keyboard input do we want? So let's see all our different options. Left hand, right hand. I don't know what Dwarak is. It must be something different. And then I guess they have a whole bunch of like all the different languages. Let's just go with the basic one that they had sort of set up like at the very top. Let's just go with the US. Second keyboard layout. No, because it has numbers on the keyboard, I think this is good. So let's just go skip. Alright. So it wants us to connect to an internet. Alright, so the next step is we have to choose connect to a network. So let's just zoom out a little. So I'm going to just choose my network and connect automatically so that every time you log in it will connect. And then I'm going to put in my password, which holding this is a bit hard. And also because I'm a lefty, so I'm going to slide and put my password in. And hope that works. Just verifying and connecting, so we just wait for a moment. Waiting is always the hard part. So then we go next. Alright, so what's the next step? So checking for updates. Probably just updates since we bought the laptop, and any software updates Samsung or Windows may have done. And then there's a user license agreement that we need to scroll all the way to the bottom and accept. And usually, you know, these things are so long. So let's just see if there's anything else as we scroll through that needs our attention. We'll just go accept for now. Waiting is really the hardest part. When you think about it, waiting is always really the hardest. Alright, so we have to set add our Microsoft accounts. One account connects your device across Microsoft. Oh, I can't even read. I probably need water. Microsoft apps and services like Office, OneDrive, Edge, and the Microsoft Store. Learn more. What if I don't want to? How is there not a I guess we kind of have to. Or are there other sign-in options? No. Alright, I guess we kind of have to. So I'm going to sign in with my account. Alright. So let's just... underscore. I'm so used to having another keyboard and using that. So it's going to take some adjustments to figure out how to use all the buttons on this one. But I do like the chiclety sort of feel of it. There we go. Sorry guys, it's taking me a little longer than normal to type this out. Next. Oops. Just gotta reach. Alright, entered. Oops, password didn't work, so press enter. And we wait. This is just saying waiting, syncing, create a pin. Oh man. I wish there was a way that we could skip all of these steps, because I really don't want to create a pin. Volume, accessibility. Include letters and pins. So to include letters and symbols, we have to click the buttons. So let's just type something out. I hope I remember this password. I should probably have written it down. Now after going through this, I wish there was a way we could log in without having to have signed into the Microsoft system and also in creating a PIN. Let apps, Microsoft and apps use your location. Generally, I don't like things to see my location. Just, if you need to use it, you can go for it. So you won't, by choosing no, I won't be able to get location-based experiences like directions, weather, or enjoy other services that require the location to work. And that is totally fine with me. Find your device. Turn on Find Your Device and use your device's location data to help you find it if you lose it. And I'd rather choose no. I hope these settings can be changed in the future, but for now, Windows won't be able to help keep track of the device if I lose it. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft. I'd prefer this only if it's required. So send only the information about your device, settings, capabilities, and whether it is performing properly. I think that's good enough. Reprove inking and typing. So what's that? Send optional inking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft. Don't use it. Let's just go with no. Get tailored experiences. I don't need tailored experiences. And I only say this, of course, anyone can do changes however they please. But for me personally, I just want to use it for watching movies or Microsoft Office. So I don't need all of that. Let apps use advertising data. No. I just wanted to go faster and use it. Let's customize your experience. Select all the ways you plan to use your device to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations within Microsoft Experience. And this can be things from entertainment, gaming, school, creativity, business, and family. So select the ways to get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations. No. I mean, usually I may say something for school or photos, but at this point, I think I'm okay. Back up your files with OneDrive. Let's just not do it for now, so only save files to this PC for now, and we can always, I hope, change this option. So let's do that. Play over 100 quality games, high quality PC games, the PC Game Pass. Let's just skip for now. They do sure have a lot of join this, do this. Well, from what I can see from previous ones, it's a lot more personalized. or unless it's just me who has not had a laptop for so long. But you know, as we're waiting, I'm just holding this and I can see this is so nice, so light. With one hand you can hold it and it feels really good. The chiclet keyboard style is really nice. It's so sleek looking, and it's extremely thin. It's a very thin, smooth laptop. I actually do like it. So let's just go back here. It's downloading. We're getting you the next version of Microsoft. So let's take a peek at what we're going to get while it's uploading and updating. So it's one place to start and find all the apps, docs, and sites for the things we do. It's just one swipe to widgets featuring your photos, calendar, to-dos, and more. And sorry guys, you know, my W's and my W's gets mixed up and they sound funny, so there we go. Apps that we know and love. Quickly find the apps, games, and movies you want in the new Microsoft Store. Better together. Connect with anyone on any device with chat from Microsoft Teams. It's a Snap. Optimize any screen with new Snap layouts and groups to get it done faster. It adapts to you. Your PC is easier to use with voice typing, color scheme, themes, and other options. And see you in a bit. So if it's not, the update isn't done, it's okay to step away and they will take care of the rest. So we're just going to put the video on pause because it's going to slowly take its time to update, and we'll be right back. Guys, we're back, and I just wanted to let you know it only took about 35 minutes to actually do the setup. So now you know those 3 updates, that's how long it takes. So let's see, if we press enter, how do we put our logins? I guess we log in with our PIN, and I hope I'm putting the PIN correctly. Oh please. So we just go welcome. Let's see what the next step is. Hi. Getting things ready for you. Sorry, my camera's not the best. So I keep having to click it to make it focus better. So we have to wait another few minutes and not turn off the PC. Oh, I wish it would be starting already. So you know what, for this part I'm just gonna stop it again for a moment because we don't want to wait through this. So we'll come right back. Alright guys, so we're back, and here we have the home screen. Let's zoom out a little. And you can see we have a Microsoft Edge button, and it's really interesting, and I'm used to having all the icons down here, but they're all grouped in the middle. And I'm wondering, can I hide this? Because I really don't want to have to see this. I think it's going to take a little bit of exploration to see what everything is. So we have a start button. So I guess I found out how to hide it. A search button. So maybe if we want to search search the weather, maybe. Let's see what comes up if we search something like the weather. So I guess whatever's in our apps and stuff we have. And here we have, what is this? So we have 2 different desktop settings. We have different widgets. So what kind of widgets do we have? I guess it's taking a bit of time to load, and I'm just wondering if you know how when you use a laptop it comes with a whole bunch of bloatware. I'm just wondering what can we get rid of. So while we wait, we have a chat feature, probably Microsoft Chat, File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, the Microsoft Store, and what is Quick Share.